You guys have fun?
Cars are too loud.
They're too loud.
Yeah.
Wait till you hear some loud ones. It kind of smells like burnt oils in here, like electronics, like hot wire? Yeah, didn't smell very good.
Lanes can't call and you lame. You had it and you lost all the shot. I can buy a Billy, don't talk to me. For sure, 150, don't talk to me. You ain't never helped your mans, don't talk to me. You just follow all the trends, don't talk to me. I set the bar, I'm the fucking bar. Get the sky, I'm a... Low buy, big bags, I know why. Talk money on this side. Talk money on this side. Type of money. Papa, no propaganda. Bandana.
That's awesome. You got a good setup. That base was like a massager. Like if you keep a massager on your back too long and it starts to itch. That was crazy. I've never experienced anything like that. The dude's windshield was broken and everything.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Oh, it was crazy.
Your hair was going crazy.
I know. It made me sweat.
Yeah.
It was so good.
That's crazy.
Ain't the shit shade the things till I see better days. Got the pools and they can't sound like the old brain. Big fuck the sis, go down, bones on your shoulder. Pass me by, you strong. I'm from the motherfucking city of the
this color, by the way.
Thank you, man. I really appreciate it.
You might have saw me earlier. I was taking all kinds of photos.
Yeah.
I'm not really like a yellowish color, but there's something. This color is just
like high vis. It's like a tennis ball.
Yeah, I like it.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
I like it. No problem.
Ooh, you like that, JD?
I'm just curious.
Andy and I
Oh yeah, this is one of our installers.
Oh, it is? Oh.
So we
Can I
just
put you on
assembled
YouTube?
it. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I was just curious to see how long it took.
4 hours maybe? Maybe not even that.
Yeah, I like the color, and then the other side how it's dual colors.
No, it took Andy and I about 4 to 5 hours to do that.
Oh, nice.
We take out all the rivets, disassemble it, did the chrome, and then we print as well. So we do all the printed graphics, cut decals.
You guys are on the south side, aren't you?
Yep, we have a shop in Beach Grove, and we also have one up in Westfield.
Oh yeah, the big sign that
Yep.
says "Don't drive naked." That's
Yep,
right.
you can't miss us.
Yeah, that's right.
You can't miss us. That
All
is
right.
our main headquarters, and then we also started a shop up in Westfield about 4 years ago. So
Oh, okay.
yeah,
All right.
trying to expand. That's not our Hummer. We have a red Hummer that's in chrome. We have a teal chrome Hummer up in Westfield.
Oh wow.
I wrapped my car in the Rushing Riptide. It's like a color flip, so it's blue, purples, greens, golds.
Like just by
Yep.
the sun, or just as you
Yep,
drive
by the sun, different lighting. When you drive by it, this one is actually kind of a color flip. It's called an iridescent. It's a KPMF purple to black.
Oh, okay.
So it'll go purple to black and everything,
Hold on, buddy.
depending on how you view it.
Yeah, I like that too.
It's a nice color.
It's like a matte color, but it like transitions.
Yep. These are both satin wraps.
Yeah, that's awesome. How hard is it to keep the satin clean?
It's not hard.
Oh, really?
Nope, just wash it. It doesn't scratch.
competition from Slimer. Is that Slimer? Slimer, oh, there he is, ghost busting. Bam! Look at that movement. That's a lot of skill right there. A lot of switches. Come on, Slamology, let's make some noise for these guys. For real. Oh, but wait, there's more. Oh. Who's replaced this bed 3 times? So we got the Tiki Lux, Slimer, and we got Loco B. ASA. Don't you know, Loco? Don't you know I'm loco? Yeah, Loco B is in the house. Kentucky. All right. Dre, let's see what you got, Dre. Bam. Bam. Let's go. Make some noise. Let's go. He's like, yeah, I do this thing. Represent the good times of Indiana. We got it. Slamology, make some noise from my man High Strike out of Tennessee. First the front, now the back. Got all the bugs out, now it's time to show them how you party. Let's show them how you party in Tennessee. Uh-oh. That looks like me at the after hours party. This is a driving vehicle. He drives this guy, so make some noise for Tennessee. Let's see it. It might get stuck in the air, who knows? Bam! 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7,
2022 success. Until next time, peace.